Welcome to another section of the smartphone design training. My name is Daniel Peter. So in this section, we are going to be learning on how to create a simple flyer design using the hierarchy principle. So let's get started. So this is the image size. As you can see, the image size is quite different from the regular size, right? Now the essence of increasing the size of this image, because the content that we're going to put in on this design, the contents are too much. So we don't want the design to choke up, all right? So we want a space around the design. So that's the essence of increasing the size of this image. So to change the size, just come here, click on this image size here. As you can see, everything has been set 1080 to 1350, right? So click on OK. So we are going to bring in our content one after the other, all right? So the name of the theme of the program is public speaking and diction. Public speaking and diction. Public speaking. Right? Public speaking. So change the color to black color. So we are going to change the font, since the theme of the program is very important. So we are going to change the font to this font, now black. So let's grid it, let's arrange it here. So let's align it to the left hand side by coming to this side here, click here, then click on this side, then bring it this side here. Just click on your check mark. So let's try to take it up a little bit. Alright, so this is okay now. Yeah. So diction should be underneath. Diction. Let's leave it like this. So like this is okay. So let's put this under here. So the next one is and, right? So that font is too thick. Let's reduce the font to a lighter font, which is medium. Yeah, medium. So let's bring it to this side here. That's okay. So reduce it a little bit to either 65. Okay, 65 is okay. Let's bring it here. So we want to create a shape around that side. So create a shape, change it to this color. So you're going to put in the shape around that side. So copy the shape, come down here, yeah, leave it there. I think there's still space around there. Let's just take it back a little bit. All right. So the next thing we are going to add in now is the subordinate, which is change the font to black. Okay. So the font the size of the font that we are going to use is going to be very different from the first one. We are going to use medium for that one. So reduce it. Use it and bring it here. So let's just broaden the font a little bit. Just click here, then come here. All right, so click on OK. All right, so let's change the text background to, change the text background to black. So increase the left and right padding. They come to the right hand side, increase it like this. Then top padding, yeah, like this is okay. Then bottom should be like this. Then increase the radius to 93. So I want to create a form around that subordinate. Just select a shape. Yeah, select a shape. So this is it. All right. So copy the shape. So bring the shape around here. Bring it to this side here. All right. Bring it here. So take it back a little bit. All right. So that's it. So we are going to bring in the course outline. Bring in the course outline. So let's change this color to black. So to highlight is going to be here. So change the background, text background to black. This is okay. Then change the text to white. Then change the font to this one. Reduce it. I think the font is too thick. Let's reduce it to medium font. Let me change it to medium font, I guess. To medium font, yeah, this font is okay. So just take it up a little bit. Right. So we're going to put in shape around that side. Change the color to this. Just drag it here. So just take it up a little bit. Alright, that's it. Okay, so we are going to bring in the next the course outline. Yeah, we're going to bring them. Okay. So now we're going to put in our content, diction / pronunciation then intonation then the next one is speech, then the next one is public speaking, / confidence. So etiquette. Okay, so let's change this to. Alright, so here should be reading. Right, so that's it. So there's something intonation. Okay, to make sure that everything here is okay. Right, so we change the color to black. So the font that we're going to be using here now are medium fonts. The same typeface, but using a medium font for it. So I want to move it to the left hand side by coming here, align it to the left, then increase the spacing to 6. This is okay. So move it to this side. Alright. So copy it. So we're going to put in our bullets one after the other. Right. So the bullet is going to be here. I think there are 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 outline courses. Okay, so we're gonna put it by this side here. We're going to reduce it a little bit, then still space it. Alright, so move it to this side. Alright, so let's move this one up a little bit. Let's move it up a little bit. Let's still move it up a little bit. This one, I'm going to move this one up a little bit also. Then this one. Then change this one to white color. Alright. So what next? So let's bring in the payment details. Payment details is Zenith Bank, then 1015, 10156 72327. Alright, so yes, sick diction. Alright, let's basic diction. Academy. Okay, so we're gonna put it here. Right, so we're gonna put it here. So now we are going to create a contrast among each of them here, the most important one. So pay into Zenith Bank. So Zenith Bank is going to be thick. We are going to use a medium font for Zenith Bank. Right, we're going to use a medium font for Zenith Bank. Want them to see the Zenith Bank. Okay, this is the name of the bank that we're transferring this money to. Okay, let's use bold font for it. Bold font, yeah. Then the phone number too should be bold. Use a bold font for the phone number too as well. Alright, so let us leave it like that. Okay, so what else? The next one is ages. Then change the text background to this. Left should be space around it. Alright, so just take it up a little bit. Ages is from 5 to 12. 5 to 12. From 5 to 12, right? From 5 to 12. Let's increase the to 6. Up should be 3. Then the bottom should be 3 too as well. Right. So the next one there is the date. The date of the program. The date of the program is 14th 12. No, 1428 rather. 1428. Okay. 1428 February. Right. So February. So let's increase the radius to this. Then increase this one to. Alright, this is okay. Use the left and right padding. Alright. So we move this one here, closer to this side. So let's change the color there to white color. Change this one to white color too as well. This one to white color. Yeah. So we're going to bring in our icon, date icon. Okay, date icon. Okay, this is what we're going to be using. Right. So we're going to put this here. Use it. Okay, like this is okay. Just put it beside it here. So I want us to expand this one a little bit by coming to the line spacing. Yeah, like this is okay. So I'm going to put a shape underneath. Just a tiny shape underneath, alright? Right. So just take this up a little bit here. So the font there, let's create a contrast among these two fonts. This one here should be more thicker because the date is very important, right? So we're going to use a thicker font for that. Then this one we're going to use a regular font for this. Alright, this is awesome. So let's create another shape there. So we take the shape up a little bit. Right. So that's for that. Then the next one here, let's copy it and so zoom. So the zoom is supposed to be there. So let's bring in our icon. Yeah, the icon is going to be here. No, this is the WhatsApp icon. So let's bring in the zoom icon. Try to leave it like this anyway. Just come here and change the background to PNG. Right. So that goes right. I came here to change it. I came here to change the background. Just click there to change the font color. This is okay. Alright, so the next thing is WhatsApp. WhatsApp, right? So you change the background to black. Change the color here to white. Then you put this one here. Put the icon by this side here. Alright, so that's it. So let's put in the okay, let's put in a shape around this side where we are going to put in the social media handles, right? We're going to put it here. Copy here and put it on this side too as well. And let there be space around it. Let's make sure there's space around it. Putting the shape on the middle. Putting a shape on the middle there. Putting a shape in the middle. Okay, so let's take it up a little bit. Alright, so you copy and reduce the opacity to this, then change the stroke to 1, change it to black, then you bring it here. Alright, bring it there. Make sure everything is well aligned, alright? So you create another, come here. Just increase the span size. Okay, so that's it. So let's make sure that thing is really aligned. It's pretty good. Oh, this is not nice. This is not nice. Okay, let's create another one. Come here. Change it to black. And let's see how we can do it very well. Alright, this is okay. This is okay. So let's change the color to white. Alright, change it to white. Then bring it down. Alright, so now let's bring in our background. Okay, so this is what we are going to be using. Since it's public speaking, this is what we are going to be using. A girl showing a girl on the stage talking to public, all right, speaking to public. So this is what we're going to be using. Send it to the back. Right, send it to the back. Yeah, let's just take it up a little bit and bring it to this side. But let's increase it a little bit. Yeah. So send it to the back like this. All right. So we're going to put in shape behind that side. So we're going to add in shape. So change the color to dark blue. Change the color to dark blue. Come here. Alright, so change the opacity to I think to either 90 or so. Okay. Change it to 90. Alright. it is okay. So just bring it down here. Bring it down, bring it down, bring it down, bring it down. Yeah, so that's it. Alright, so let's change the text to white. We are changing the text to white. So we are going to change this one. We are going to move this I here. We're going to space it a little bit. Yeah, we're going to space it. Yeah, I'm going to space it. Alright. So we're going to put in a mic in front of that space. Yeah, in front of that space. Since it's public speaking, so we are going to put in a mic there. So graphic design is not all about just designing. You have to communicate. Alright, it's all about communication. If your design is just beautiful and it's not communicating, then that means your design is not good at all. Alright. So I think we should reduce the space of that side a little bit. Okay, like this is okay, I think. Alright. So let's change this color. Let's change this color to yellow color. Then this one we change it to change the text background to this one. Then change the text to black so it can be more visible. Right? So we're going to create another shape, adding another shape here. Another shape here because of the space around the design. Alright. Let's reduce it like this, send it to the back, then bring it to the front. Then take it up a little bit. It's not looking nice at all. Okay, I think like this is okay. Alright. Yeah, this is what I was planning to do. Alright, I'm trying to redo this one down here. Alright. Okay, I think I know what to do now. I know what to do now. Let's see. Trying to cut this shape. That's it. So let's put in a shape, a black shape around there. Now let's use a red shape. Okay, change the color to this. Okay, send it here. Change it to the back and bring it to the front. Alright, so this is where it should be. Alright, so let's change this color. Let's change this shape color to red color, and this one change it to red too as well. Alright, so this one you change it to black, then this one you change it to red, then you change it to red too as well. Alright, so let's put in our details there. Let's basic diction. Then you change it to white. White color is okay. Then put the phone number by this side, so as well 08109987907. Put the phone number by this side here. Alright, so let's bring in our icon for the social media. Okay, let's leave it like this. No, let's bring it back. For the social media handle, yeah, I'm gonna put it here. So this is where I'm gonna put it. Alright, right there. So this we're gonna bring it front a little bit. So the telephone number, copy it and change the. We are going to use social media icon here. We're going to use social media icon from here. Okay. So we change it to this. That's another one. Let's change it to A, and let's see what's going to give us. Okay, that's WhatsApp. Change it to B. All right. Then drag it here. So reduce the size. So reduce it and bring it here. Alright. So the registration fee, we are going to use this one here. We are going to use something like this. Let's crop it very well. Let's make sure that everything is well cropped. Alright, something like this is okay. Yeah, something like this is okay. Just bring it here and take it by this side here. So we are going to put in our text, which is registration fee. Registration fee, right? Then change the color to white. Then change the font to a lighter font, which is regular. Which is regular. Change the font to regular font. Okay, bring it down, bring it down, bring it down. Okay. So copy and change it to the price, which is 10,000. Then Naira underneath. Okay. So for that, you're going to use a thicker font for that. You're going to use a thicker font. Yeah, this one is okay. That should be medium. So let's align it to the middle. Alright, so I'm going to put in a little shape around there. Let me move this one here. So we're going to put in a line around that side. Something like this. So just reduce it. Something like this is okay. So let's join them together. Yeah, I'm gonna put it here. Yeah, that's where we're gonna put it. All right. So let's bring in our logo. Let's bring in our logo. And the logo is supposed to be here. Okay, let's just leave the logo like that. We'll just leave that place like that. So this is how to create a flyer design. This is how to create a flyer design. So let's align this text. This text is not aligned, not properly aligned. Let's just try to align it properly. Let's see if we can move it to this side. Some here, around here. I think this is okay. So just bring this one here. Alright, so in this you shift it to this side. And shift it to this side, shift it to that side, put a shape and put it by that side here. Bring the shape down a little bit. Alright, put another shape behind that side. All right. So this, I'm going to move it to this side. So this, we're going to move it downward. So we're going to put in a shape around that side. Tiny shape. Then you change the color to yellow. So let's drag it to this side a little bit. Right, so let's turn it like this. Trying to reduce it a little bit. All right. So just take it up here. All right. So this is how to create a simple flare design. As you can see, everything is well arranged, right? Very, very simple. So let's remove that tiny dot over there. Alright, so that's how to create a simple flyer design. So if you have any question, please do send them to me. Alright, do send them to me. Let's change this font, the account number here to red. Alright, so let's save it. You can save it as projects. Alright, so after saving it as projects, just save it from here. To send directly to your storage. Alright.